Have you ever wondered what makes the perfect mac and cheese? Some people love it creamy. Others prefer it baked with a crispy golden topping. But one thing is certain, great mac and cheese is all about the cheese. Today, we're breaking down what many food lovers consider the best mac and cheese and the secrets that make it unforgettable. Let's get started. The foundation of every great mac and cheese begins with the pasta. Elbow macaroni is the classic choice because its shape holds onto the cheese sauce perfectly. However, shells, cavatappi, and rotini can work just as well because they capture even more cheesy goodness in every bite. Next comes the star of the show, the cheese. While many people use only cheddar, the best mac and cheese usually combines multiple cheeses. Sharp cheddar provides bold flavor. Gruyère adds richness and a slightly nutty taste. Mozzarella creates that irresistible cheese pull. And Parmesan adds depth and complexity. The combination creates a smoother and more flavorful sauce than any single cheese alone. Now let's talk about the sauce. The best mac and cheese starts with a simple roux. Butter and flour are cooked together before milk is slowly added. This creates a smooth base that helps the cheese melt evenly without becoming grainy. Once the sauce thickens, the cheese is added gradually until it becomes creamy and silky. This step is where many recipes succeed or fail. Patience matters. Adding cheese slowly creates the smooth texture everyone loves. Now let's discuss seasoning. Mac and cheese should never taste bland. A little salt and black pepper go a long way. Many chefs also add garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, or a small amount of mustard powder to enhance the flavor without overpowering the cheese. The goal is to make the cheese taste even cheesier. Here's another secret. The best mac and cheese isn't dry. It should be rich and creamy enough that every piece of pasta is coated in sauce. Many homemade versions fail because they don't use enough sauce. Remember, the pasta will absorb some of the moisture as it sits. Now let's talk about baked mac and cheese. Some people prefer stovetop versions, while others love a crispy topping. For baked mac and cheese, breadcrumbs mixed with melted butter create a golden crust that adds texture and contrast to the creamy interior. A few minutes under the broiler can transform a good mac and cheese into an amazing one. What about add-ins? Bacon is one of the most popular additions. Others enjoy lobster, pulled pork, jalapenos, or even truffle oil. But many cheese lovers believe the very best mac and cheese keeps things simple and lets the cheese shine. So what is the best mac and cheese? For many people, it's a creamy blend of sharp cheddar, Gruyère, and Parmesan, combined with perfectly cooked pasta and topped with a crispy golden crust. It's comforting, rich, satisfying, and packed with flavor. Whether served as a side dish or the main event, great mac and cheese remains one of the most beloved comfort foods in the world. And now you know the secrets behind the best mac and cheese.